Hello, my name is Nandini and I have completed my BTech from Raisoni College of Engineering, Nagpur in Electronics and Telecommunication branch. I joined the Evision. Uh, I joined the Evision networking course in which I learned the Windows Administrator, Windows Server, and networking related part with the ITIL process. In this module, each topic is having separate modules and cover each topics in a detail with the recordings, and in live session I learned many things uh, with my mentors, and they teach very well. So I feel confident at the time interview, and I gain a lot of knowledge from this course, and the mentors are also supportive, and they teach everything in simply and in depth also. And recently I joined the Precision Informatic Private Limited, which is located at Pune. Thank you.